In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on the more icon and go to the settings. Click on block numbers, and here you can block all unknown callers. You can block spam and scam calls if you want to. Just agree with the privacy policy, and here you can block spam and scam. You can also share name and number if you want to, and here you've got the option to block your contacts, someone from recents. So as you can see, all you need to do is to mark somebody and add it to your blacklist. You can also add some number manually, smoothly enter and then tap on plus, and that's it. From now on, those people who are on your blacklist will not be able to reach you. Then whenever you'd like to remove them from your blacklist, just tap on minus, and they will be able to call you or send you a message again. And this is it. This is how call blocking looks in Samsung Galaxy M31s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.